Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your server's banner on Discord. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, you need to open up your Discord application on your PC or on your mobile phone. And after that, you're going to go to your server. I'm just going to select the server, for example, and we can right click on it. Then go to the server settings. Okay, and after you open the server settings, you need to open up the server profile, and you can scroll down until you find the banner, and then you can choose the color. I'm going to choose for example this one. Okay, this is for the preview guys, and then you're going to click on save changes to apply the color. Okay, now it's done, and this is the color for my Discord server right now. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change server's banner on Discord. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.